In this video, we'll give you an overview of the Pages application. The Pages application is an essential tool for creating what we call sites for your intranet, where you can personalize pages for your departments, teams, and more. We'll also walk you through setting up permissions and show you how to build each page to fit your organization's needs. Before we begin, let's quickly go over the key differences between a site and a page. A site is the main structure. It's a collection of individual pages grouped together under a common category, like a department or theme. A page is a single piece of content within a site. It can be used to share specific information, updates, or resources. There are different levels of permission in the Pages app. These are essential for managing the application. At the highest level, you have the Pages application administrator. This user can access the admin panel of Pages and manage all site permissions, assign who can create and delete sites, and configure custom page components, which we'll cover shortly. Next, we have users with the Create Site permission. These users can create sites and manage page permissions from the front end of the application. We recommend only giving this permission to those who need to create sites. Then there are users with Manage permission. These users have full control over site properties, including everything within nested pages. They can create, edit, and delete content from the front end. This level of access should be assigned only to those responsible for overall site management. After that, users with Add and Edit permissions can manage individual pages. They can add, edit, and delete pages within sites from the front end. This permission is ideal for users who need to maintain page content. Finally, there are users with View permission. These users can browse and see what's on the page, but can't make any changes to them. This permission is recommended for most users who just need to view the information on a page. With the correct permissions, you'll see a plus symbol at the front end to create a new site. When creating a site, you can either start from scratch or copy an existing site as a template. After that, you can set up its properties and assign permissions to decide who can view or manage the site. Adding a page works in the same way. With permissions, you can use the Add Create Page option and add a new page from scratch or copy one from an existing page. You can also use the Create Link option to add a link instead of a full page. Similar to sites, you can set permissions for each page to control who can view or edit it. If needed, you can also create subpages and sublinks, using the same options to further organize your site structure. Now that you've created a page, let's take a look at how to build and customize it. To start, click Edit, which is the pencil icon at the bottom left of the page. Pages can be customized using components, which act as application widgets. These components pull in content from other parts of the intranet, allowing users to view and interact with information directly from the page. There are a variety of components to choose from, depending on what you'd like to display, such as news, documents, or anniversaries. To add a component, hover your mouse over an empty slot. A list of available components will appear. Simply select the one you'd like to add, then configure its settings as needed. For example, we'll add a greetings component to display a personalized welcome message to users visiting the page. Once you're done building the page, click Publish and save your changes. You can always go back to a page to make updates, adjust the layout, or add new content. If at any time you want to cancel your update, you can use the Cancel option. You'll be given the option to either keep editing or discard changes. If you choose to discard your changes, all your recent edits will be removed, and the page will revert back to the last published version. Keep in mind that the Pages application does not have a versioning feature. Once a page is published, the previous version can't be accessed. So before you commit to any changes, preview your page before publishing it to make sure that everything looks right. After you publish your pages, you can add it to the main menu to make it easier for users to find. To do this, head to the Menu Builder application and select Main Menu, or any other menu you'd like to update. If you don't see this option, check with your Menu Builder administrator that you have necessary permissions. Next, navigate to the Edit Menu Items tab and click the Add Menu Item option. Enter the menu title and copy and paste the page URL you'd like to link. You can also adjust other settings such as the display order and whether it opens a new tab. Once saved, go to the permissions area to set who can see the new menu item. When you're happy with the setup, click Apply Permissions to save the changes. Your page will now show in the menu bar for users to access. For the next steps, test different permission settings on a site and a page to understand how access levels work and double-check they're correctly applied. Create a page to get familiar with building this out using the available components. Link a page to a menu item to see how it looks from the front-end user's perspective. Also be sure to check out our knowledge-based guides and e-learning course on the Pages application, available on Discover for extra tips, step-by-step how-tos, and additional support.